Hello and welcome back to another video from Oz Espresso Machines. Today we're going to be pulling a shot with this mini Vivaldi S1. This model has the water reservoir and a vibratory pump, and the steam valve is a little different, but altogether it's almost the same as the S2. So basically, I think the steam boiler, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Steam boiler is a different size. This is a great machine. I really like it, especially with the wooden panels, volumetrics, and it has a large steam boiler that just gives you a lot of steam power. Also, the traditional, like deeper style portafilters, which are smaller in diameter than the standard 58 mil, are great. Tend to provide really good crema. And this machine was brought to us because it had some issues with brew pressure. So the brew pressure gauge sometimes gets stuck, and besides that, the customer didn't get enough pressure while brewing. So I found out that it had some issues with the filter inside the reservoir that actually had some air in it, and it took some time to prime it out of the system. And now I believe it's working, so I'm making this video for the customer so he can see that the machine is working well, even though we didn't do much to it, but this is just another way to communicate, and we upload it to our YouTube channel just to share it with other people that might have this issue so you can learn from it. So if you have any questions, you can comment below. You can also check our Instagram at Espresso, and we try to upload more stuff over there. So if you like that, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. So I'm using about 18 grams of coffee over here, and I'm just going to be pulling the shot because we didn't receive the grate. I'm just going to put it over here. Maybe try to lower it a bit and press this. So we see, we get a really nice shot. We see the brew pressure is a little too short, but the brew pressure gauge was sitting over here the whole time, and now it's just got stuck a little bit, but we got a really nice short shot. I probably need to calibrate the volumetric on this thing. And then if I'll run it again, we see that the gauge drops all the way down. So we do get pressure, we just need to change some of the volumetrics. But besides that, I think we're good to go. So thank you for watching, and please comment below if you have any questions. Take care.